open mic. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Today we're gonna keep it simple with the wired mic. You know what I'm saying? So, who wants to go first? It's been a while. So, alright, let's get it. Chico, the request to go first. You got the mic stand here. You can use the mic stand if you want. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, alright. Chill Lee. You know what I'm saying? Get it right. You did mention that you can get it mixed up.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah. Chill Lee.
Let's run Granite first. We'll talk about this all after. This shit isn't even like fully mixed. Still working on that. But I hope y'all fuck with it.
Do you see the shit you take for granted? I know life is hard, many granted. All of this life I ain't planning. I feel like I'm from a different planet. Spending life searching for some magic. Trying to find love but can't have it. Got a bad habit trying to match it. Then you find out it ain't been acting. Snakes in the grass give me bad vibes. Look me in my eyes, keep on telling lies. Feeling like I'm only saving midnight. Dog out, it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Since you've been gone, I have found my vibe. It feels right. It feels right. Since you've been gone, I have found my vibe. Do you see the shit you take for granted? I know life is hard, many granted. All of this life I ain't planning. I feel like I'm from a different planet. Do you see the shit you take for granted? I know life is hard, many granted. All of this life I ain't planning. I feel like I'm from a different planet. You've been out of pocket like my last dollar. You been on some shit that got me all caught up. Lately you been on that hot and cold shit. But it seem to only make my back hurt. Feeling like I'm lifting up the damn earth. Atlas. Now you turn into me on some backflips. I know that you put me on the blacklist. Had me feeling like I really lack shit. I know that I'm nowhere near perfect, but that don't mean that I'm not working. Spending all my nights so searching, so searching. Spending all my nights so searching. That don't mean that I'm not working. I know that I'm nowhere near the perfect. Searching, so searching. Do you see the shit you take for granted? I know life is hard, many granted. All of this life I ain't planning. I feel like I'm from a different planet. Do you see the shit you take for granted? I know life is hard, many granted. All of this life I ain't planning. I feel like I'm from a different planet.
Yes, sir. What y'all think about that?
That shit's nice.
What about that? Yeah. Would you believe me if I said I made that like 3 years ago? I'm probably gonna do like this. I'm doing this thing where it's like rough cuts, like rough cut season. So I think we're gonna run Devil. This is another rough cut because it's rough cut season. So let's get it.
Creeping close, I can feel the energy trying to enter me. Oh, the devil's creeping close. Wanna take my soul before I ride. You've been knocking at my door, I won't let him inside. I can feel my grip begin to slip. I might fall. Oh, can't take my soul, can't take much more. Tell me what demons that came in faces of women. They try to keep me from winning, keeping me sinning, creating a vein. Cause I can't see the light. She's blinded by lust, she won't cut her guts. Plus she take hella drugs. Fuck if she loving him. Trust she will fucking break any soul she ever made. Plus I seen her levitate. I think she possessed a demon in her eyes, and I can see her watching me, a devil in disguise. So she better move cautiously. I came in the light, so she only see half of me. She only see half of me. Saying darkness keep on calling me. Darkness, keep on calling me. Darkness, keep on calling me. Keep on. Oh, the devil's creeping close. I can feel the energy trying to enter me. Oh, the devil's creeping close. Wanna take my soul for a ride. He been knocking at my door, I won't let him inside. Feel my grip, begin to slip. I might fall, no. Can't have my soul, can't have my soul, can't have my soul. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
That was T.O.D. Make sure y'all follow him on all social media platforms. You know what I'm saying? Boy dropping that gas. What is it? Rough cut season?
Yeah, rough cut season.
Rough cut season. Definitely got a rough cut right now. He goes to the barber. For real, for real.
Nah, I really
So-
do. Me too. Okay.
G. So look, the next artist we gonna call up, might as well keep it in the same, you know what I'm saying, Chico. Cause we done got your name mixed up earlier, so let's run it. Chico. But you got that one and a one?
Pose up, little thing. Hey, you know I do my thing. Born and raised with a gang. 10th Street, why stay? Hop on the interstate. All day, making plays. I was in the projects, making money all day. Hop in this bitch, I'm swerving. And you know I'm on a mission. Heard the boys be lurking. Ain't finna catch me slipping. On the block, I'm on the go. 31 let blow. Put his ass in that bag. Now my dog about to smoke. Heard the boy got wet. Now everybody wanna know something. Yeah, I'm trapping on that phone. But a little hoe, breaking them back. Buying them Birkin and throwing them stack. She just a knack, to know how to act. In love with the cheese, I guess she a rat. Wearing the sound, you see where we at. Was broke before, ain't going back. I got the dope, that's a little fat. She busting it up on grabbing that ass. Moving so fast that I think I'm about to crash. Cash in my pocket, yeah, that shit be looking fat. Clothes up, let it bang. I ain't know I do my thing. Born and raised with a gang. 10th Street, why stay? Hop on the interstate. All day, making plays. I was in the projects, making money all day. Hop in this bitch and swerve. Hop in this bitch and swerve. Okay, yeah, you know I'm from the streets. Hold it down for my dogs. Crap's what he preach. I've been on that block. Yeah, you know how I rock. 30 all in that Glock. Somebody getting dropped. Somebody gotta go. When they posted by the stove. Every day on the road. Every day 24. Yeah, you know that I'm lit. I just hit another lick. It's been that way since the jit. It's been that way. Pose up, let it bang. Hey, you know I do my thing. Born and raised with a gang. 10th Street, why stay? Hop on the interstate. All day, making plays. I was in the projects, making money all day. I'm just trying to find a way. I'ma do my thing, yeah. I'ma do my thing. Hey, pose up, let it bang. Hey, you know I do my thing. Born and raised with broke before, ain't going back. I gotta go. Moving so fast that I think I'm about to crash. All this cash in my pocket, yeah, that shit be looking fat.
Chico. Give it up for Chico, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna switch the whole vibe. We got a new person in the building, you know what I'm saying? Finally, we got someone that actually do poetry. So, let's see. JR Schmidt? No?
See what I got. Are we gonna start off like this? I call this She's My Sweetest Dream. She is my sweetest dream in my broken garden. As her roots clench to my heart to cherish the scars that hide beneath the dirt, while her petals only grew from the water from her tears. My love learned how to repair each stem with joy and laughter she brought back. I once lost beyond the liquor in my veins. She's my soulmate in the world of damaged souls. That fresh air in my mind needs when the trauma of my silence suffocates the joy of a lost childhood. How she made my demons feel the love of heaven as they had the chance to dance with my angels once again. Kiss by kiss, she allowed me to see her naked before the clothes came off. Before she allowed her sweet tune to sing in the harmony of my love. Her demons dance with my angels as my angels secure her nightmares. She is my favorite flower. Who shall breed a seed in this growing garden with me? For she is my favorite part of the day and the sweetest part of my nights, teaching me the true meaning of my definition of a rose in the concrete. She is the sweetest dream in my broken garden, my favorite flower in my hood. She is my rose.
I ain't gonna lie, that was deep.
There you go. Can we go again? Or?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright.
Give me 2 more, 3 more, 5 more.
Got you. Alright, this is my all-time favorite from me. It's called My Love for You. My love for you is more than just an emotion. I'll do my best to keep you protected. I want to be your angel sent from heaven, the best friend you can come to when you want to talk, someone you can tell your secrets to. I'll be there for you through everything, the good and the bad, the thick and thin. I want to ensure that you'll never be hurt again. I'll wrap your heart with a napkin and place it in my pocket, my shirt pocket, keeping it close to me. I want to be like a blanket that covers a newborn child, keeping you warm through the coldest of nights. Hold you close to me when God's love falls from the sky. I'll be the tissue that draws the tears of sadness from your eyes. When I speak, I want every word to be a piece of wood that keeps your love burning. Never do I want the special rose you are to wrinkle in the cold. I'll be the soil that keeps you standing, the sun that helps you grow in life. My love will be the water that showers you with compassion. This love of mine for you is more than just an emotion.
Alright, JR, give it up for JR. You know what I'm saying? Definitely came through with a different vibe and some deep poetry. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta really listen and tune. I'm probably gonna be replaying like what he said. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna keep the show on the road. We got 2 more artists left in the building. I don't know if they want to freestyle after this, but the next artist we gonna call up, DT. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna let him introduce himself.
Because it's been a long time since I've been here. If I could do a Morgan Freeman impression, this would be it. Let's see. We're gonna go with the old cold season. Not too old. This one I've been working on. It's getting cold again. It's freezing. I need love again. It's getting cold again. Streets ain't got no. It's getting cold again. Streets ain't got no love again. I lost my brother dead. I've been having trouble since. I can't sleep again. Perky's, that's my best friend. I'm losing faith again. Jesus, come and help me there. It's getting cold again. Streets ain't got no love again. I lost my brother dead. I've been having trouble since. I can't sleep again. Perky's, that's my best friend. I'm losing faith again. Jesus, come and help me there. Come and help me then. I've been losing all my friends. Remember we was kids, we was so damn innocent. In and out the streets, we ain't have no choice in it. We hit 15 and nigga, we was built for this. We got switches cause niggas, they don't box now. Let them drugs loose cause niggas rock your block out. We don't fuck with you cause nigga, you are out now. We can't fuck with her cause nigga, she a thought now. It's getting cold again, it's cold again. How we turn to this, we was so damn innocent. I was made for this, nigga, we was built for this. So don't you play with him, cause nigga, you get killed for this. It's getting cold again, streets ain't got no love again. I lost my brother dead, I've been having trouble since. I can't sleep again. Praise, that's my best friend. I'm losing faith again. Jesus, come and help me there. It's getting cold again. Streets ain't got no love again. I lost my brother dead. I've been having trouble since. I can't sleep again. Praise, that's my best friend. I'm losing faith again. Jesus, come and help me there. It's getting cold again. Walking through that snow again. Remember rainy days, you wouldn't understand the pain. It's getting hard again. I can't even save my friends. I'm supposed to live. Heaven let my brothers in. They ain't mean to sin, so God, don't you judge us in. They ain't mean to sin, so God, don't you judge us in. I'm supposed to live. Heaven let my brothers in. I'm supposed to live. God, it's getting cold again. It's getting cold again. It's getting cold again.
And that is cold season.
I ain't gonna wait for nobody to clap. I'm gonna clap.
Definitely by the clothing.
Yeah, that's cold season right there.
I felt that song. That song just like had a lot of emotion, a lot of vibe.
Yeah, man. That's what I've been working on lately. Man, between these two songs, I don't know which one to pick first. I'm gonna go with I Don't. Some rock star shit. I don't. I don't. I don't. Hey. I don't know how to feel right. Chopper get the cut and this don't kill right. And I don't know how to feel right. I don't know how to feel right. Yeah. Chopper get the cut and this don't kill right. Yeah. I don't know how to feel right. I don't know how to feel right. Papa Pree, tell me what it feel like. We slide, you die, fast life. Oh my, I don't do lies. Hit her once, goodbye. Bad bitch, I spy. She's so demonized. Demolition, blow my mind. Okay. Stupid, don't you run up, I'ma hit you like I'm Cupid. And all my people carry rockets like we used it. And she go look up when I fuck her, she go stupid. Little 50 smoking OG and it's ruthless. Give me a face and say some ass, perfect woman. Give me face and say some ass, perfect. I don't know how to feel right. Chopper get the cut and this don't kill right. I don't know how to feel right. I don't know how to feel right. Yeah. Chopper get the cut and this gon' kill right. Huh? I don't know how to feel right. What? Huh? Huh? What? Huh? I don't. And that's I don't.
Juice WRLD.
That's I don't. Now this last one, let me tell you why this last one is different. I was stuck on Jersey clubs, beats for like the longest days, months, just because this is so nice. So this one is through the phone.
This should remind me of Soulja Boy.
Ooh. I know, you said that.
Yeah. Can you hear me call through the phone, through the phone? Can you hear me call? Can you hear me call through the phone? When I need you home. Can you hear me call through the phone? When I need you home. Okay. Baby, come home. Know you grown. We ain't gotta fight, but I need you close. Baby, come home. Where you going? It's getting cold. It's getting cold. AP on the wrist and it's froze. I don't wanna mess with these hoes, huh? Mess with these hoes. Baby, don't you turn me cold. Turn me cold. Look to my left and there's nothing right. Look to my right and there's nothing left, huh? Nothing left. Hit me with a checks, you were playing fair. What's one other thing, me and death? What? Me and death. Hit too good so she never left. Every other guy couldn't take a breath. Couldn't take a breath. Every other guy couldn't take a breath. Couldn't take a breath. Can you hear me call through the phone? Through the phone. Can you hear me call through the phone when I need you home? Can you hear me call through the phone, through the phone, through the phone? And that is through the phone. Thank you guys. Yeah, man, that's what I've been working on, you know. And if you guys are wondering whenever I'm gonna drop that, well, shit, I got 1 year and 5 months to drop a lot of fucking music, so you're better, huh?
like your dad.
What do you mean? You want me to play the other Jersey one? You guys want one more Jersey? Yeah, this can't be. This can't be. Look, this can't be the last time. Saying that you love me, but you steady. Yeah. This can't be the last time. Saying that you love me, but you steady leaving. We can't even feel our heartbreak season. Tell me the reason for being a heathen. Switching the seasons, heartbreak uneven. You act like a demon, cold for no reason. How could you leave me? Good for no reason. Back to a demon. Yeah. Baby, how you feeling now? Thought you would've came around. You know I would've helped it out. Make one call, I shut it down. You can't even find me now. Tell them niggas move around. Throw it up, they bust it down. AP watch, I'm losing time. All they do is tick on now. So baby, come and shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. All they do is tick on now. So baby, come and shake it out. This can't be the last time. Stating that you love me, but you steady leaving. We can't even feel our heartbreak season. Tell me your reason. Tell me your reason. Tell me your reason. Yeah. Tell me your reason. Oh yeah, I thought we was done back again. This gon' be the last. I let you. This gon' be the last. You can't die in. This gon' be the last time I let you play me. I let you break me. Hey, this gon' be the last time. You can't save me. Dying slowly. Don't you hold me. Rage on broadly. I don't know me. Drowning slowly. I'm in the